back to my channel. It's Riffa. In this video, I am going to unbox this beautiful package. I hope you guys are curious, so stay tuned guys, we'll unbox very soon. The package is really nice. Oops. Wow, nice. Oh. Alright, here we are. This box, can you see what's written on the box here? It's Merrell. Yep, let's unbox this. Ta-da! This is so pretty. I'm so excited, guys. Look at this. Yay! These are a pair of hiking boots. They are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, they are exactly as I remembered them. So here's a little story. November last year, my friend and I, we went to the shoe store here in LA and we saw this pair of hiking boots, and then we checked the price. It was the original price still $115 US for a pair of these hiking boots. I love hiking so much and I thought like maybe I deserve a pair of these hiking boots, but then I thought again, maybe I'll wait. Maybe I'll wait until there's discount. And you know what happened? One of the last days there was a discount for 50% of boots, and I thought like, wait, is this like all boots, like leather boots or just like winter boots or whatever? And then I checked for the hiking boots, anything with boots in the details, they were discount. Oh my gosh. And I told myself like, okay, this is your moment, Riffa. You got to have this beauty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll talk about the details of these hiking boots very soon. Stay tuned guys, don't go anywhere. So guys, this is a pair of Merrell Deverta 2 hiking boots for women. And this size is size 6, I guess. I picked size 6. Let me check. This pair is size 6 because they would fit my feet very well. We'll try and see later. And this is, oh my gosh, look at this. The color is brown with a little hints of blue lines here and there. They're so beautiful. They're so perfect. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, guys. Let's check what's inside here. What are you? Okay, what about you? Let's, come on guys. Oh my god, so hard. All right. This Merrell Deverta 2 hiking boots for women. This color is the color for this pair that I purchased is light brown, size 6, and with the medium width. The price, guys, let me tell you the price. So when I checked this pair like November last year, a few months ago, it was $115 US. But when I saw discount on this online store, it was already discounted. It was like $79 US. That was good, right? And you know what? With 50% discount, it's like even less. It became only $40 US. Can you imagine? I mean, like, if I thought about it again, like if I purchased this pair back in November, that would be like, wow, a lot less. I'm so grateful that I didn't purchase them in November. And so the total discount for this, it was 50% discounts for the boots, so I got 40% back before tax. So tax like around $4 something, it became 44 something US dollar, and free delivery. Can you imagine? So from 115 became 44 US dollar, 115 before tax. Mind you, I only paid for this $44 US. It's such a good deal, right? I'm so happy. I'm so glad. I can't wait to wear them. And this is spring, and that means like the weather is a lot nicer out there. We're going on a trip, on the road trip, and we'll go hiking. I'm so gonna wear this beauty a lot. So from the website itself, it is mentioned that the Deverta 2 hiking boot by Merrell is a must-have for those who have an active outdoor lifestyle. I have an active outdoor lifestyle, even though I don't hike all the time, but I try to walk around my neighborhood every day because I love walking, and then it's very good for my body and for my soul. Pair is equipped with M-Select dry barrier that keeps the water out, while Merrell Air Cushion absorbs, which one is air cushion? Maybe here? It absorbs shock and enhances stability. And the features in this pair of boots, it is a suede. The material is suede with mesh upper here, I think for breathing. And there's a tag here saying waterproof. Can you see it? Yeah, waterproof. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it is a lace up closure. They are round toes. This round. As I mentioned before, mesh lining here. Here, the mesh. Ooh, like this. Kind of blue. I'll take it as blue because I love blue. Can you see that? It also has kinetic fit base contoured insole here. You can see inside. Oh, it's so pretty. It also has Eva foam midsole. I'm sure that's a good thing. I'm sure, right? What else? That could be. I'm sure it's a very good thing. And then M-Select grip rubber sole. So guys, that was the details about this Merrell hiking boots that I just purchased, and I can't wait to wear them. I hope they fit me perfectly, because I've never had hiking boots before. I just wore sneakers for hiking. They did well too, but for hiking, for special hiking, I prefer to have the hiking boots so that my feet will be protected properly, right? What do you think, guys? So if you love outdoor activities, like, do you wear hiking boots? And what do you think of the hiking boots? Like, and for those of you who already have a pair or more hiking boots, can you tell me please what's the benefit that you have, that you feel that you get from the hiking boots instead of the sneakers? I'm gonna show you like up close here. So this is like the front, like round toes, and this is like from the side. Yep, and this is from inner side. So pretty. Look at this. Oh, so nice. And this is the front. They feel so light. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate if you can give me a like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.